Hello, and today guys we're gonna learn how to make a simple clicker game. After making the game you can add more if you want. We'll get right into it. We're gonna first start off by making a new project. First we want to delete our cat sprite, and make a new sprite called the thing to click, or whatever you want to call it. Then you wanna either find a good sprite you wanna click, like for example maybe a animal, a person, maybe we could go with, we could click a person and then it'll give us money, or a basketball for example. I'm gonna go with the basketball, but you could make your own by using these tools over here, or you could just go in the scratch costume bar. Oops. You want to make it big enough so it's about this size in the screen. You can see the basketball isn't in the middle, so you want to go into events and then get out a when flag clicked block. Then go to X and Z, turn both of them to 0. Now when you click it'll go to 0 0, which is where the X and Y is. Now you want to know when the sprite clicked. When it's clicked, you want it to get money. First we have to make the money. You have to make a variable. We could call it coins, money, or maybe basketball in my example. Basketballs. Wait, whoops. Basketballs for all sprites, okay? Now this will be at the corner. We could set basketballs to 0, so whenever we start it, we don't go to whatever number it was before. And then when the sprite is clicked, change your basketball by 1. And that's it. That's all you have to do. But I'm gonna go deeper into this game and make it look better if you want. You can stop the video if you want now, but I'm gonna keep on going. Now if you wanted to make it pop out a little bit, we could go into events and then get when flag clicked, a control forever loop, then if then loop, if then else loop, then go into costume and get 2 costumes. Duplicate the costume by right clicking it, and then copy and paste the original thing, and then make it go a little bit like that. I'm gonna make a shadow. So if when the sprite clicked, switch costume to your first costume. I mean your second costume. And then after maybe a 0.1 second, or maybe 0.0, yeah, maybe, yeah, 0.1 second, and then change it to your original costume. Always keep it on your original costume, like keep it over here. Now when I click it, it's like a button. That's pretty cool. Now I want to make it so when you're hovering your mouse on top of it, it's bright. So I'm gonna set brightness to 25. No, that's too much. 10. And then set brightness to 0 when we're not touching it. Now go into sensing, which is over here. Then drag the touching mouse pointer to the if then. I think hexagon? Yeah, hexagon. Then change it to mouse pointer. Now when you play, if it's touching it, then it will put brightness to 10. Okay, that's all. Now we're gonna add more special effects, like when clicked, delete all of this code when you duplicate it. Once you don't delete that code, just duplicate it and then make it like that. Delete that costume. Make this about maybe 10 times smaller. No, 5 times smaller. About this much. And we can make that rain on the sky. So particles. I'm gonna name that particles. So when this is clicked, we want to make a clone. So go into control and then create clone of particles. Now when I start as clone, first we want to take away the main sprite, which is when flag clicked, and then go into loops and then get hide, so we can't actually see it. And when I start as clone, show. Let's hide this variable for the time being. Go to you could copy it right off my screen, you don't have to actually do this. Go to x minus 240 minus 240 to we want to make it visible now, who cares. 240. So whenever you click, look, it's making clones over here. Save your project. Now we want to make the basketball fall from the sky. Now start as clone. We want to make it look in a different angle. Point in direction. Point in direction. Pick random, maybe 0 to 180. 0 to 180. Now it's making it in different angles. Now we're gonna make it fall from the sky. So forever, change x by maybe 10. When I saw this code, no, that doesn't work. Why doesn't that work? Oh, change y. Wait. So, but yeah, change y by minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Now look. When you click, it falls from the sky. We could make it fall a little bit slower, like maybe 5. Plus, we have to make it go behind the basketball, so maybe go to back. You don't have to do this, you can just make it so that's falling really slow from the sky. Now we want to make it if it touches the ground, which is over here. If touching, we're gonna make a new sprite called basket killer. You can do whatever you're gonna make to click, like for that. I'm gonna make basket killer. You could make this any color you want, but I'm just gonna make it red to signify death. And make it at the very bottom. Yeah, around there. Also, you have to make it go to 0, 0. We want to hide this red line. We don't want to see that red line, right? We want to hide it. So we're not gonna actually go to loops and hide it. Then the basketball won't touch it. You want to actually make it like like a ghost. You want to make the ghost effect to 100. It still looks, by the way. So you can't actually see it, but it's actually still there. So if touching basket killer, well, this particles killer, delete this clone. Delete this clone. Save your project. Delete this clone. So maybe after a while we don't want to delete it right in front of our eyes. We want to like make maybe 0.1 seconds, and then maybe it'll work. You want to actually make this separate so then it won't stop moving. Maybe forever, get a forever loop, and then go into scroll down a little bit in controls, and then get when I start as clone, so it's separate. Yeah. Now when you click, our basketballs will fall from the sky. Yeah. Now we want to make a background. We could easily make a moving background by I'm gonna do maybe a blue background. Yeah, like that. I'm just gonna change this a little bit. I'm gonna change this a little bit darker. Okay, Now I'm gonna make a moving background. First you wanna make your backdrop color, right? Then make a new sprite, and then get like a lighter color from that color. Maybe I'll copy this, copy and paste. Make this a little bit shorter like that, and make it a little bit lighter. And go to events, and then go to maybe go to motion, go to 72 and Y level 80. I mean 8. I play too much Minecraft. Go to Y level 8 and then X 72, and then glide to and then change it, glide to minus 470, change the Y level to 8 again. You can put that in a forever loop. And plus you have to go to the back. Go to back layer and put it in the forever loop. Save your project and then start it. Now you have a moving background, but you want it to be a little bit like, you know, better, right? So you can make this bigger. And you can make it thinner. And you can make multiple types. Oops, Control Z. Copy and paste. Yeah. I'm gonna stick with maybe, yeah, about that much. I like it. So now we're gonna moving background, some falling basketballs, and then that's your game. Remember to show your variable. So that's how you make a simple clicker game. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a Merry Christmas and a